पंचामृता के सारे प्रोडक्ट्स
जो खाने में पौष्टिक तत्व की कमी को भर देते हैं। आई सर्टिफाइड, वेयर फूड इज फोर्टिफाइड।
नमस्कार. आयच्या डिबेटीत तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. आनी आयचो विशय आसा आंदोलना उपरांत कितें आनी वेदर जें आंदोलन जालें CJPचें ताजो कितें तरी पॉलिटिकल किंवा इलेक्टोरल फॉलआवट आसतलो काय हें त्या इशू पुरतें मर्यादीत जालें, इशू सोंपलो, इशूज कडेन संबंदीतच तें नरेटीव उरतलें काय ताजो प्रभाव बाकीच्या गजालींचेर पडटलो. 4 मनीस आसा म्हजे बरोबर, 4 आदवोगाद आसात आज ह्या पॅनलाचेर. स्टुडियो भितर म्हाका जॉयन जातात सिद्धार्थ बाब सामंत आमचे पॉलिटिकल एनालिस्ट आदवोगाद, दुसरे एडवोकेट यतीश नायक भारतीय जनता पक्षाचे फुडारी आनी स्पोक्सपर्सन. ऑनलायन म्हाका जॉयन जातात मडगांव सावन क्लियोफात बाब कुतीन आनी चवथे म्हाका लंडन सावन जॉयन जातात एडवोकेट अमित बाब पालेकार. सो 4 आदवोगाद घेवन 2 तातूंतले पॉलिटिकल एनालिस्ट आनी 2 राजकीय पक्षांचे आदवोगाद म्हणजे हांव स्पोक्सपर्सन म्हणटा तांकां, अशें घेवन हांव आयची डिबेट करतां. आनी हांव सुरवात सिद्धार्थ बाब तुमचे कडच्यान करतां स्टुडियोंतल्यान. देन आय विल गो टू ऑनलायन पॅनलिस्ट एंड इन द एंड आय विल कम टू द रुलींग पार्टी स्पोक्सपर्सन. कितें दिसता तुमकां हें जें आंदोलन जालें ताजो जो प्रभाव आसा, इलेक्टोरल फॉलआवट जो आसा, आसतलो, पॉलिटिकल फॉलआवट आसतलो काय आसचो?
म्हाका व्हडलोसो दिसना. लोकांचो ह्या आंदोलनाक सपोर्ट जो मेळ्ळा दॅट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द कॉज. बट इफ यू ऑफ कोर्स नाव देर विल बी एलेबोरेट डिस्कशन, डिबेट, पीपल विल ऑल्सो डू चर्निंग. पीपल हॅव ऑलरेडी सीन वॉट हॅज गॉन इन टू आंदोलनाच्या नांवा खातीर कसले कसले स्लोगन दिले, कोण कोण आशिल्ले त्याच्या भितर, आनी प्लस गव्हर्मेंटा सायडीन सुद्दां कोण कोणी कसले कसले स्टेटमेंट काडल्यात हे सगळे आतां एनालायज करतले आनी बेस्ड ऑन दॅट people will come to their own conclusions. I have certain questions to ask. What was this andolan about? This andolan was about पेपर फूट जाता ताचे बद्दल हे आशिल्ले. जेन्जी आयले सो कॉल्ड जेन्जी आयले ते ताज्या खातीर आयिल्ले. कॅन यू शो मी वन स्टेटमेंट ऑफ एनी जेन्जी टू से दॅट हरजीत सिंग भैसाचो आपल्याक डज एनीवन नो हू दीस पर्सन इज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आपल्याक ताचो रेजिग्नेशन जाय म्हणून त्याच्या तारखेतीन पंजाबान 3 पेपर फुटल्यात, ताचो रेजिग्नेशन एकट्यान मागला. मधु बंगारप्पा आय वॉन्ट हीज रेजिग्नेशन म्हणपी एकटो मेळ्ळा तुका, हेचें नांव तरी थंय तुमकां आयकपाक आयला. त्याच्या काळात 2 पेपर फुटल्यात. डॉक्टर MC सुधाकर म्हाका हाचो रेजिग्नेशन जाय म्हणपी एकटो मनीस मेळ्ळा तुमकां, कोणी स्टेटमेंट काडल्या तुमकां असलें? जेन्झीक भुरग्यांक एक खबर तरी आसा बाबा हे लोक एक्झिस्ट आसा म्हणून, वेदर दीस पीपल रियली एक्झिस्ट ऑर दीज आर फिक्टिव्ह. सो देरफोर सी आय एम एब्सोल्युटली फॉर द कॉज बट अप्लायड युनिफॉर्मली.
तुम्ही कितें म्हणटा धर्मेंद्र प्रधानान राजीनामो दिवचो न्ही काय बाकीच्यांनी दिवचो?
सी व्हेरी गुड, इट्स अ व्हेरी गुड थिंग. सी कसल्याही सोशल कॉजा खातीर अपरायझिंग जाता, इट इज व्हेरी गुड थिंग. धर्मेंद्र प्रधान टूक अ हायर मॉरल ग्राउंड अँड थॉट ऑफ रिझायनिंग. वॉट अबाउट अदर 2 people or other 3 people? देर आर मोर. तांच्या बद्दल कितें? सो देरफोर आय विल कम टू दॅट क्वेश्चन विच यू आस्क्ड मी. सो अशा तरेचें आंदोलन which is manufactured, which is cultured, which has got certain directions, which has got somebody giving directions that you should be taking names of only these people, that the andolan should be directed only in this direction. Not cause is not important, target is important. ह्या लोकांची नांवां येवपाक जाय, ह्या लोकांची नांवां घेवन
डायरेक्शन
पॉलिटिकल मास्टर्स जे थंय दिसताले, पॉलिटिशियन्स कोण कोण दिसताले थंय ते दिताले, प्लस वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट. नाव they may not be directly contesting elections, but they have vested interest. That a particular party gets elected, then I will be benefited by it.
तुम्ही म्हणतात हे सगळे असून सुद्धा ताजो पॉलिटिकल फॉलआउट जावचो ना म्हणून?
No, I don't see political, because see जे आंदोलन ऑर्गॅनिक नसता, लोकांचो जो राग, लोकांचो जी तिडक आसा किंवा लोकांक जे जाय ते लोकांक जेन्ना दिसतले की अरे आय हॅव बीन मेड यूज ऑफ म्हणून अल्टिमेटली की आमचो जो सपोर्ट आशिल्लो पूण हांगा आंदोलनात
तेन्ना
दिसता ते
political जावची ना
तेन्ना
म्हणटा
ते
तुमी.
पॉलिटिकल सपोर्ट मेळना
बरें.
अक्रॉस द
बरें.
स्पेक्ट्रम ताका सपोर्ट मेळना.
क्लिओफास बाब, डू यू एग्री? तांणी मॅन्युफॅक्चर्ड, कल्चर्ड असले सारखे व्हडले व्हडले शब्द वापरले. डू यू एग्री विथ दॅट?
Pramod, according to me, NEET exam or paper leakage, according to me, was just an excuse. It was a spark. The entire movement, according to me, was against fairness, for accountability, and the people had lost trust in the system. The people had lost trust in the system. The entire governance is corrupt. So, NEET exam leakage was an excuse. The younger generation came together on the ground of NEET exam, but basically it was anger against the 15 years of bad governance. See, but when you ask me whether how it will pan out,
येस.
it will pan out both ways. We do not know what the CJP is going to do. See, today it is just a satirical handle. Whether they will become a political party themselves, like how India Against Corruption went to become the AAP.
या.
In that form, whether they will themselves become a political party or whether other political parties will take advantage of this situation is yet to pan out. But I would say it is challenge to both. It must have damaged BJP's domination
Yeah.
and certainly opposition's calculations. But one thing has happened. The BJP's invincibility has been shattered. And the fear atmosphere that was there with the use of UAPA, Bhima Koregaon cases, ED, CBI, according to me, that fear atmosphere has evaporated. Now, I believe that a new atmosphere is coming about.
Okay.
Now, how that will happen, whether Akhilesh will take advantage of it for UP elections, or whether Congress will take advantage in Punjab elections, or that Chandrasekhar Azad will come up because he was there. Now, these things are yet to be seen, but certainly it is a big blow to the BJP dominance.
ओके.
But I am also not saying that there are concerns for the Congress, because the very fact that Congress did not join CJP directly, it also shows that they are also afraid of how this movement will devour them, because they have seen how the India Against Corruption worked against the Congress party
Yeah.
at that time. So they were also quite careful. Their concerns were there, and it is because of this the Congress party also did not take directly.
ओके.
in that.
ओके. अमित बाब, तुमकां कितें दिसता हाजो पॉलिटिकल फॉलआउट आसतलो आनी आसल्यार ताजो विरोधकाक फायदो जातलो काय फायनली बीजेपी विल बी एबल टू कोर्स करेक्ट? बिकॉज आतां काय तुगेली लोकसभेची इलेक्शन ना लागणी आसा ती स्टेट इलेक्शन्स. सो वेदर दे विल बी एबल टू कोर्स करेक्ट एंड क्रिएट एन इम्प्रेशन की बाबा सी वी रियलाइज्ड आवर फॉल्ट्स एंड वी हॅव करेक्टेड देम, वी आर रिस्पॉन्सिव्ह.
होय, जसे सिद्धार्थ बाबान सांगले की धर्मेंद्र प्रधान thought of resigning after death of 20 plus people, 20 plus students. He has not thought of resigning. पहिली गजाल म्हणल्यार the transition from mitro to friends. That transition came to the Prime Minister, and I am very sarcastic about it. It's because of the fact that he feared for the first time BJP भितर आमच्या Prime Ministeraच्या दोळ्यां भितर आमकां भय दिसलो. आणि I hats off to Gen Z. Hats off absolutely to Gen Z that they got BJP to the knees. One thing I will tell you, political fallout आसो नासो, forget about whatever that may happen or what may not happen. I am proud that today Gen Z woke up every political party who had gone into slumber. Nation first. I think that is what we should be asking the question. Today when Gen Z woke up, that there were political masters, there was political crowd, there was vested interest. It is the thought of that resigning came. It is not a thought. The thought it was removed by Gen Z, not by the Prime Minister. After the entire protest took a place shape, where they realized that this is spreading into India, entire nation, and nation was first. पण पॉलिटिकल उलय नाशिल्लो ताजी एडवांटेज आसची नासची आमचे राव जसे क्लिओपात बाबान सांगला की we did not plunge into that protest. Of course not. Why should we? We were supporting them with backhand. Rahul Gandhi ji was there talking about NEET right from the time before the protest started and the time it ended. We are with the youth and youth have showed the way, paved the way.
अमित बा पण
for
प्रश्न
probably
हो
a
असा
change.
किती
Just
जालते
one
आम
minute.
पहिले क्वेश्चन
Just one minute.
इज या
Let me just tell you, they were asking for accountability. It is not just about NEET protest. Please understand, accountability is what they asked for. As unemployment na 40% rise zala in unemployment. So I think this protest has redefined political participation of Gen Z. And that political participation
पण
of Gen
कशा
Z in
अमित
redefining
बा
politics
काय
will
गजाली
save the nation.
काय आंदोलन अशी असतात जी फक्त इश्यू पुरती मर्यादित असतात काय आंदोलनाचो पॉलिटिकल इलेक्टोरल फॉलआउट तयार जाता तातूंतल्यान एक नवीन पक्ष निर्माण जाता किंवा एक जनरेशन निर्माण जाता विच बिकम्स पॉलिटिसायज्ड हातूंतल्यान तशें कितें जातलें काय हें इश्यू पुरती मर्यादित आशिल्लें इश्यू सोंपलो आनी एक 2 म्हयन्यांनी वी आर बॅक टू आवर रेग्युलर झगडी
न्ही एक गजाल लक्षात दवर हे पॉलिटिकल पार्टी खंयचे बेनिफीट जातले हाच्या पेक्षा हांव म्हणटा की आज म्हाका एक गजाल कळून आयली की आमी आमच्या टायमार आमचे जनरेशन आमच्या आवय बापायन कितें सांगलां ते हय म्हणटाले ते खरें म्हणून मानताले आयच्या भुरग्यांनी क्वेश्चन करपाक लागल्या दे आर आस्किंग फॉर अकाउंटेबिलिटी नॉट जस्ट टू द पॉलिटिशियन्स बट टू देयर पेरंट्स ऑल्सो तूं म्हाका हें कर सांगता जाल्यार हाजें कारण कितें हें हांव कित्याक करचें आनी हें हांवें कित्याक करचें न्ही हे जेन्ना प्रश्न जेन्ना आमकां आमची भुरगीं विचारता आमचे भुरगीं जे आज हे प्रश्न सरकाराक केले आज तांणी सरकाराक ज्या तरेन मित्रो टू फ्रेंड्स एज आय सेड it's a big transition.
Okay, it's a big transition म्हणटा तुमी. Yes.
It's a pureful transition.
Yes.
कोणी कितले सांगू आणि बीजेपीक मरे कोणीच आडवना की जशे सिद्धार्थ बाबान म्हणले की अरे तो भैंस आसूं कोण आसूं तो पाडो आसूं कोण कितें आसतो तांणी जर केला हे सगळे जाल्यार वाय डोंट यू स्टार्ट एन एजिटेशन अँड लीड द प्रोटेस्ट अरे भुरगे तांचे रस्त्यार येता आमी पणजेन पळयले मरे
बरें
we saw them
Yeah.
but when meat paper leaked where was this same youth of BJP
बरें
when people died when students died where were these youth of BJP why
बरें.
were they hiding
बरें.
it didn't matter to them
ओके हांव ह्याच प्रश्नाचेर यतीश बाब मरे वता यतीश बाब दोन एक गजाल म्हणटात की दीस एजिटेशन हॅज कंप्लिटली डॅमेज्ड द डॉमिनेशन एंड दॅट ऑरा ऑफ इनविन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द बीजेपी आनी दुसरो प्रश्न जो अमित बाबान काडलो की तुमचे जे तरणाटे आहात ते बीजेपीक साल्वार करपा येतात भुरग्यांक खातीर झगडपा येनात
See, Prime Minister Modi's leadership is extremely sensitive to the aspiration of the students. In fact, the young India, Gen Z म्हणटा तुम्ही, नाजाल्यार तांकां young India म्हणटात, they all support Modi's leadership. I'll tell you that this is the same Gen Z and the young India that has voted continuously for Modi ji to make him the longest serving elected Prime Minister. It is the same Gen Z which तांचे जे कितें सेन्सिटिविटीज आनी एस्पिरेशन्स आसा ती बीजेपी कंप्लिटली इन सिंक आसा म्हणूनच लोक बीजेपीक मत मारता म्हणूनच बीजेपीची सरकारां राज्यांनी वेगवेगळ्या स्थापीत जालीं देशान थर्ड टायमाचेर स्थापीत जाले कॉन्वर्सली तुका सांगता हेच जेन झी आनी हीच यंग इंडिया अबाउट 100 इलेक्शनां काँग्रेसीक हरयले. In fact, this is the third election in of the Lok Sabha where Congress had to bite dust. In fact, understand one thing, Gen Z आणि Young India ही कंप्लिटली ज्यांचे जे एस्पिरेशन आसा तेच मोदीजींचे कंप्लीट ध्येय आसा की यंग इंडियाचे बरें जावचें जेन झीचे बरें जावचें आणि हांव सांगता तुका गिव मी अ मिनिट देर आर सो मेनी मेजर्स विच द गव्हर्नमेंट हॅज डन तुका सांगता 2024 जुनाच्या पयलीं हे पब्लीक एग्जामिनेशन प्रिव्हेन्शन ऑफ अनफेअर मीन्स ऍक्ट 24 जो पारीत जाला तें नाशिल्लें. म्हणजे ताज्या पयलीं जे पेपर लीक बी जाताले, तुका पाडो वाचतलो जाल्यार 2006 अकाउंटन्सी पेपर लीक जाल्लो CBSEचो, 2007 ऑल इंडिया इंजिनियरिंग एंट्रन्स एग्जामिनेशन लीक जाल्लें, PMTचो पेपर 2008 लीक जाल्लो.
कोण आहे? काँग्रेसी
एक
टायमार
मिनिट,
लीक जाल्लें.
आयक हांव
हय.
तुका फॅक्ट्स सांगता.
हय.
जेन्ना हे लीक जाताले पळय पेपर, तेन्ना तांकां IPC आणि PC प्रिव्हेन्शन ऑफ करप्शन एक्टाच्या अंतर्गत प्रोव्हिजनांनी तांकां कितें आसा तें जातालें. आणि दॅट वॉज नॉट अ रिजीम दॅट वॉज इट वॉज नॉट डिटरिंग ऑर इट डिड नॉट
भंय नाशिल्लो. भंय.
म्हणून मोदीजीन कितें केलें, म्हणून डेडिकेटेड व पब्लीक एग्जामिनेशन प्रिव्हेन्शन ऑफ अनफेअर मीन्स ऍक्ट हाडलो 24 जुनांतल्यान तो चालीक लागलो. मोर इम्पॉर्टंटली तुका सांगता, आतां जे बील हाडलां पळय, वेर बाय दीस अमेंडमेंट इज बीइंग इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन ऑफ 2026 टू द सेम लॉ, इट इज टू इनक्रीज द इम्प्रिझनमेंट, इनक्रीज द फाईन, इट इज टू ब्रिंग सर्व्हिस प्रोव्हायडर्स, एक्झामिनेशन सेंटर्स, इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स, ब्रिंग देम अंडर द पर्व्यू ऑफ द ऍक्ट. आणि हे बिल जे आता पळय इंट्रोड्यूस करपाक आसा मोदीजी, तेन्ना हे ऑपोजिशन पार्लमेंट ब्लॉक करता.
बरें.
दे डोंट वॉन्ट
बरें.
एक मिनिट, दे डोंट वॉन्ट अ डिबेट
तांकां
which
bill
is in the
नाका.
interest. Opposition does not want a debate in the interest of students.
बरें.
आणि गव्हर्नमेंट जे स्टुडंट्सां खातीर जे कायदे हाडटा, जे तांकां म्हणजे एक्झामी बऱ्या तरेन जावच्यो आणि असले घडणुको जावच्यो न्हय. नंबर 1 टेक्नॉलॉजी ड्रिवन, नंबर 2 हातून बरे सिस्टम जाग्यार येवचो, लीक प्रूफ जावची. हे करपाक ऑपोजिशन खंय साथ दिता?
बरें.
सरकार is committed.
बिफोर आय गो टू सिद्धार्थ बाब, आय गो टू क्लियोफात बाब. यतीश बाब म्हणटात की पॉलिटिकल फॉलआउट आनी कसलो, ह्या जेनझी भितर जे वोटर्स आसात तांणी कंटिन्युअसली आज तातूंत भितर 26-27 वर्सांच्या भुरग्याक तांणी 2 इलेक्शनां वोटींग केलां, तेय बी आज मेरेन BJP बरोबरच रावल्यात. नोबडी एल्स हॅज इन्स्पायर्ड देम. सो हो इशू खातीर ते आयले, गव्हर्नमेंट हॅज रिस्पॉन्डेड, इशू सोंपलो म्हणटा.
I think he has a point. And that is why the acceptance of demand of the students that education minister must go. Because if you look at the entire way the movement has progressed, the parents of children who are there were all, or rather mostly,
या
upper class people. They were BJP voters. I have spent an evening there, and I can certainly tell you that the way they were dressed up, they were all upper class people, and their children were there. They were feeling the heat. And Yatish is right that they have voted them 3 times. First time when they won, it was a victory of the party on the back of a corruption movement which was there against the Congress party. Thereafter, 2 elections on propaganda. And time has come when the current Gen Z is telling the government that no longer glitter of roads and bridges will help us. We want accountability, we want fairness, we want good governance. And I am repeating, though NEET was the spark, the movement was all about accountability.
इट हॅड अ मच बिगर मेसेजिंग.
Yes. Yes, absolutely.
म्हाका सिद्धार्थ बाब सांगात, हो जो मुद्दो आसा की तुमची BJPची बेज जी आसा ती बेज तुमच्या अगेन्स्ट गेल्ली दिश्टी पडली म्हणून सरकार 2 पावलं फाटी सरलो.
नॉट एट ऑल.
हांव जेन्ना पॉलिटिकल फॉलोआउट म्हणटा ते हो म्हणटा.
Absolutely nothing. On the contrary, it is a very smart move. धर्मेंद्र प्रधान और तुमकां जर BJPचे एंटायर म्हणपाचें, BJP has taken this a very smart decision. On one side, you have a government which responds to the aspirations of the people. On other side, you have a adamant governments whose ministers, in spite of there being paper leakage, in spite of there being papers being sold, in spite being then ghapla in elections, people are not resigning. For example, आता अमित
BJPची वोटर बेज हातूंत भितर इन्वॉल्व नाशिल्ली. आतां फॉर एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही CAAचेर फाटी सरले नात न्ही, कारण खबर आशिल्लें BJP की आपली वोटर बेज न्ही. ज्या जाग्यार आपली वोटर बेज रस्त्यार देंवता तेन्ना तो राजकीय पक्ष 2 पावलं फाटी सरता हे सारकी न्ही.
Not at all, not at all. Government takes a decision which is in the interest of the nation and certainly what will benefit them electorally. This is not only about BJP, this is about any political. This decision which government has taken is certainly will be appreciated by every spectrum of the people. You have a government where people agitate about reforms in education sector, government responds. On the other side, you have Madhu Bangarappa, which is the minister of Amit Bab. Let Amit Bab answer this question. Why Rahul Gandhi is not sacking Madhu Bangarappa? Why Rahul Gandhi is not sacking Dr. MC Sudhakar? He is your minister. Now, his only explanation is why? Because BJP is not coming on street. What kind of explanation is that? If you want, so question is, does Rahul Gandhi does not want any reforms as far as his states are concerned? त्याच्या स्टेटीन त्याका पेपर लीक जाल्ले जाय, त्याच्या स्टेटान लोकांनी आत्महत्या केल्ली जाय का? व्हॉट काइंड ऑफ एक्सप्लेनेशन इज देयर? टेल मी व्हाय मधु बंगारप्पा इज नॉट सॅक्ड, व्हाय MC सुधाकर इज नॉट सॅक्ड.
बरें, अमित बाब रिस्पॉन्ड टू दॅट. हे तुमची डबल स्टँडर्ड न्ही. फाल्यां लोकांनी मागीर कशें एक समजा राज्यकर्त्याचे लोकांवेलो विश्वास कमी जालो तो ते म्हणटात दुसऱ्याचेर दवरपाची परिस्थिती ना, कारण तुमी डबल स्टँडर्ड जाल्या म्हणटा ते.
पळय, डबल स्टँडर्डाची डिबेट जेन्ना आमी उलोवपाक सोदता, आतां म्हाका यतीश बाबांनी म्हणलें की यू नो इट इज द ओपोजिशन विच इज ओपोजिंग द डिबेट इन पार्लियामेंट. लास्ट वर्साभराचे पार्लियामेंटाचे प्रोसिडींग काडून पळय प्रायम मिनिस्टर कितले फावट खंयच्या डिबेटीक आयला तो आनी कितले फावट तो डिबेटीक अकाउंटेबिलिटी दिता तो. हे जे प्रश्न सिद्धार्थ आज बॉब मारून मारून जे काडटा पळय वयर, आज पयले फावट भारतीय जनता पार्टी भिल्या. आज पयले फावट भारतीय जनता पार्टी जेन्ना आज भिल्या तेन्ना हे प्रश्न निर्माण जाल्या, कारण तांकां कळ्ळा की आज पर्यंत जांकां तांणी टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड घेतल्यात ते आज तांच्या विरोधान उबन आसा. जे ते आज नांवां घेतात, तांकां काडूंक जाय म्हणटा, काडपाचे आशिल्ले. हाजे पयलीं तांणी केन्ना आवाजूच काडलो ना. ऑफकोर्स अकाउंटेबिलिटी इज इम्पॉर्टंट एज फार एज द एंटायर पॉलिटिकल स्पेक्ट्रम इज कन्सर्न, बट अनलेस BJP's backside is on fire, they don't take action. This is a fact. This is absolutely a fact. The spark has lit a fire under the BJP. And
तुम्ही
that is the
स्पार्क
fear that they are
फायर
having.
म्हणतात अमित बाब. क्वेश्चन इज जो क्लिओफात बाबांनी म्हणलो, यतीश बाबांनी म्हणलो की ही जी रस्त्यार दिविल्ली वोटर बेज आसा ती बीजेपीची वोटर बेज, ती तुमच्या वटेच्यान येतली फाल्यां तांकां ते पिकारा म्हणून.
एक गजाल, they are going to shift to a party or to the politicians whom they feel they believe in. That is a fact. That is what is the fear of BJP today. बीजेपीची खुबशी घाण आमी जी आमची म्हणजे ऑपोजिशनाची खुबशी घाण आमी बीजेपीच्या एसटीपीन ऑलरेडी धाडल्या. आज जे हिस्ट्री सांगून आमकां एलिबाय म्हणटा त्याच हिस्ट्रीक डिफेंड करपी लोक आज हांगा आसा, आज बीजेपीन आसा. ज्या हिस्ट्रीत ते आशिल्ले, यू कॅनॉट से दॅट आरे त्या वेळार हे जाल्ले, तू जस्टिफाय करनाका by citing history as alibi for your faults. You are in power for more than a decade. If you could not control and correct what was the mistakes of the past, then you have failed the nation, you have failed the students, you have failed the generation. And that is what the generation did as far as this entire moment is concerned. BJP भिले आणि म्हणून ताका काढलो. नाजाल्यार पयले दिसा कित्याक काडूना? ज्या दिसा पेपर लीक जाल्लो त्या दिसा कित्याक काडूना? 22 लोक मरसर कित्याक रावले? 22 स्टुडंट मरसर कित्याक जावले? लाखांनी स्टुडंट रस्त्यार येसर कित्याक उबे रावले, उगी रावले? याच बीजेपीन तांकां टर्माइट म्हणले. तेच बीजेपीन ते डिफेंडूय केले. तांच्या आमदारांनी, तांच्या 5 आमदारांनी डिफेंड केले. तांणी लोकांक रस्त्यार देंवयले. तांणी जे कोण स्टुडंट्स रस्त्यार
बरें, याच हाजेर यतीश बाबा मारा, याच प्रश्नाचेर यतीश बाबा मारा होता, याच प्रश्नाचेर यतीश बाब 2 मुद्दे, तुमच्याच मारा येतात 2 मुद्दे. पयली म्हणटात या क्लिओफात बाब.
Pramod, your question to Amit
हय
was whether that voter base could shift.
हय
See what happens in first past the post system. When Congress lost in 2012,
या
they lost about 9% votes.
या
And last time in Uttar Pradesh, I was just getting the figures. BJP lost 6% votes, but lost half the seats.
करेक्ट.
So what happens is in first past the post system, a small shift creates a big shift in the number of in a number
Correct.
of seats.
Correct.
So
Correct.
that is very crucial.
And that is
in
what
any
BJP,
democracy.
that is what you are saying, BJP also
Yes, that is
considered
what
while
matters
taking
to
the
them.
decision. Yes.
Yes.
यतीश बाब दोन मुद्दे. पहिलो मुद्दो ते म्हणटात, तुम्ही म्हणटात न्ही धर्मेंद्र प्रधानान रेजिग्नेशन दिलें, ते म्हणटा पयलीं दिवपाचें. इतली सगळे घट्ट मेरेन तुम्ही कित्याक रावले, इतलो सगळे येत मेरेन कित्याक रावले. सो तुमची सेन्सिटिव्हिटी ना म्हणटा ते. तुम्ही फक्त दबावा सकल राजीनामो दिवन हो इश्यू काबार केला. दुसरो मुद्दो ते म्हणटात, तुम्ही तांकां पयलीं दीस 4 दीस पयलीं टर्माइट्स म्हणटात आणि मागीर तांणी केल्ली सगळे मागणी मान्य करतात आणि म्हणटात की बाबा पळय तांचे बरोबर जॉईंट प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेतात. ह्यो तुमचो डबल स्टँडर्ड
I will tell you, Dr. Samant, he's actually put forth
Right.
by names. But I'll take that a little further because my friend Amit has only given empty verbose statements, nothing in
Empty म्हणटा तुम्ही?
empty verbose, not
बरें.
even empty.
Ah.
Because I will tell you,
Right.
in Jammu and Kashmir, I'm talking of now, I'm talking of these, I'm not talking of those days in history.
Right.
In Jammu and Kashmir, National Selection Board examination has been leaked, was leaked, where Congress National Conference government is in power. Himachal, where Congress is in power, your school examination board examination paper has been leaked. In Jharkhand, where Jharkhand Mukti Morcha and Congress is in power, the GAC examination was leaked. In Telangana, where Congress is in power, the intermediate language examination was leaked. In Telangana, again, where Congress was in power, SSC language examination was leaked. In Punjab, where Amit was perhaps
किती
with the
म्हणता?
एक minute. Where,
Hoy.
no, I'm trying to say because he's trying to say something. So I'm
ते
saying,
म्हणतात
एक
तुमचे
minute.
सांगते.
Let me answer.
Hoy.
He was a chief minister, face of that party.
Hoy.
In that same Punjab, there was a paper leak of the subordinate services selection board group B examination. In Karnataka, where they are today in power, the paper leak of preparatory board examination, PUC examination papers were leaked.
Correct.
Why are you not suspending your ministers?
ते झाले.
Why are you not suspending?
तुम्ही तय
Because
म्हणटा
no,
कितें?
I'm telling you
तुम्ही
by fact.
इतली दीस टाइम काढलो पळय.
Tell me one
तुम्ही
thing.
दबाव
Tell
आयलो
me.
म्हणून
Okay,
action
I will tell you one thing.
Sensitivity न्ही.
I will tell you one thing.
Hoy.
Today you have a Nandan Nilekani led high level committee.
Okay.
In that committee you have got former ISRO chairman, former IB director, IIT Chennai director, former education secretary. You have all these people. Have you heard a statement of Congress to say that we support it? Have you heard a statement of Congress or opposition to say that the bill which you are getting in 2026 to amend that act and to make this punishment more stringent, we are there with you, let us pass it? Have you heard it?
बरे मग
You have not heard it.
बिफोर आय गो टू सिद्धार्थ बाब, क्लिओफा वॉज अ आर्ग्युमेंट, स्पिरिटेड डिफेन्स बाय यतीश बाब, की बाबा ओपोजिशना भितर कोणाचोच मॉरल रायट किंवा ऑथॉरिटी ना. बीजेपीक सांगपाचें म्हण कितें करपाचें तें. डू यू एग्री विथ दिस?
See, let us look at it very clearly, Pramod.
या
Congress lost on this very ground. They lost power in 2012 on this very ground of being seen as corrupt, on a ground that they are not accountable, and this generation, which is now, which voted for BJP, the younger generation which we say voted for BJP, are seeing that what we voted for is not happening. We voted for accountability. We voted for good governance. We are getting good roads and good bridges maybe, but governance is failing. So it is that failure of governance that is being questioned. And I am still telling you that again, this is the third time I am saying, this was against a governance failure. This was against unemployment. This
तुम्ही
was
म्हणतात
against-
it is India against corruption of this generation.
Correctly, 100%. 100% it
okay.
was against. Now,
Yeah.
now the only question is whether it can travel further. Now, how it will travel further, we do not know.
Yeah.
In 1974, a canteen issue throughout a Congress government in Gujarat. And much before emergency started, the Navnirman Andolan was started by Jayaprakash Narayan.
Yeah.
Emergency happened thereafter, and the whole politics changed.
या
So what will happen?
So
How this will
राजकारणा
pan out,
भितर
we don't know.
फाल्यां कितें जातलें हें आमकां खबर ना.
No, खबर ना. But one thing has happened.
किती तरी जातलें म्हणटा
that
तुम्ही.
we have started talking what is going to happen.
बरं, किती तरी
far
जातलें
we were
म्हणटा
talk-
तुम्ही.
No, Pramod. So far we were talking what is wrong with the opposition.
Yeah. Now we are
Suddenly we
talking
are
what is
talking
going
what
to
is-
happen. Yeah.
Yes,
This
yes.
is the shift in narrative म्हणटा
Yes,
तुम्ही.
yes,
म्हाका
yes.
सिद्धार्थ बाब सांगात हे दोन मुद्दे. जो अमित बाबान मुद्दो काढलो आयल कम टू यतीश बाब सेन्सिटिव्हिटी म्हणटा पळय तुमी सिद्धार्थ बाब अमित बाब म्हणटा तुमकां 36 दिसांनी 22 जाण मरतली सेन्सिटिव्हिटी याद जाली ताच्या पयलीं सेन्सिटिव्हिटी याद जाली ना आनी तांकां पयलीं टर्माइट्स म्हणप आनी मागीर तांचे बरोबर बसून तुगे प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेवन हातांक हात घालप हें कितें ही डबल स्टँडर्ड न्ही
तिनूय विशय घेता तुजे पयलीं म्हाका सांग तांकां टर्माइट्स म्हणप कोणी म्हणलें टर्माइट्स ताका
हय
सांग म्हाका कोणी धर्मेंद्र प्रधान कॉल्ड देम टर्माइट
आतां तुमी
प्रायम
कितें?
मिनिस्टर
Now you are separating धर्मेंद्र प्रधान and नरेंद्र सावयकार.
I have named each and
But
every
party
person.
has
If I
backed Naren
said,
Sawaykar
if I
न्ही.
said,
Party has backed Naren Sawaykar न्ही.
अरे तो विषय केन्ना आयला आता नरेंद्र सावयकर had called him 2 days back.
हय.
I may not agree with it कळ्ळें न्ही आणि तुम्ही ते म्हणटा जेन झीन थंय कसले व्हिडिओ आणि कितें नांवां सांगू तुका प्रायम मिनिस्टराक घेतल्या ती दॅट इज जस्टिफायड अकॉर्डिंग टू यू व्हिडिओज आर देअर लाईव्ह वेअर दे हॅव कॉल्ड वर्स्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स
Yeah.
आय मीन घाण अशी वस्तू म्हटल्या
ताजे मुखार termites कांय न्ही म्हणटा तुमी.
टर्माइट्स कांय न्ही बट दॅट डजंट मीन दॅट अ पॉलिटिशियन शूड यूज अ लँग्वेज सी लँग्वेज कोणाची न्ही सिव्हिलय आसूं न्ही सिव्हिल आसची केन्ना उलयता आसतना सुद्धा केन्ना आसतना कितें यू मेक युअर पॉयंट्स विदाउट युजींग स्लँग and this applies to everybody.
Everybody,
I
yes.
am not saying I am not.
Let
I am
us not
defend-
lose our
let us-
civility.
Yes,
Yeah.
that is
Some
one aspect. So
Yeah.
therefore, do not bring language. And language जर काढतले there is lot things you will have to answer.
बट ही
Those who are
सेन्सिटिव्हिटी
supporting-
न्ही 36 दिसांनी
So now let us come to this.
Oy.
See, you know, resignation alone is not going to solve. You mean to say all student problems are going to be solved by because of resignation? The resignation is just one symbolic thing. We want reforms in education system. आता resignationची जर गोष्ट झाली, worst of the economic decisions have been taken during UPA time. Did economist prime minister resign there? Worst of India against corruption, the home minister resigned. त्यांच्या resignation दिले. Congress is the last people who should be talking about resignation of the people who supposed to perform. Last people in the earth, if anybody has to talk about resignation, it is Congress. But that's not the point. If we are talking about reforms, if we are talking about development, then the steps that are taken, the law that has been implemented and the steps that will be taken now, will these people who leaked the news exams, will it repeat again? One aspect of the matter. Will these people who are guilty of it will be taken to its logical? Will they be convicted? Will there be a proper prosecution against them? Is more important thing. Now, last thing which ताणीचो टॉपिक घेतिल्लो पळय about he was saying that whether who will benefit and according to him what should be done as far as this is concerned. Now I'll tell you one thing. आमच्या क्लिओफत बापाने तो पॉइंट काढलेलो की actually what this agitation is all about. Now if you see the demands that has been put, they were restricted all. In fact, this agitation has ended on which ground? Did they ask for accountability? No. NEET and NEET alone.
Yeah.
Resignation. So therefore, this to say that this
This will have a wider
it had a
impact.
wider canvas or something.
Bare.
Absolutely
Bare.
nothing. It was only restricted to NEET. Conditions were put about NEET. आमच्या अगेन्स्ट नीटाच्या एजिटेशनाक लागून आमी जे कितें केल्या त्यो केसी फाटल्यान घेवपाचो धर्मेंद्र प्रधान शूड रिजाइन अँड एक्झामीन जे कितें जालां
अमित बाब
अकॉर्डिंग टू मी द इशू
नो इम्पॅक्ट म्हणटा तुम्ही अमित बाब ते म्हणटा यतीश बाब म्हणटात की आता आमी जेन्ना इतली सगळी मेजर्स घेतात सपोर्ट करा न्ही काय म्हणटा ते भुरग्याच्या बऱ्या खातीर रिफॉर्म्स घेता आनी करा सपोर्ट म्हणटा ते
कोण करना 14 years it took them to do these corrective measures. They've come to power in 2012. Why did it take 14 years for them to take these measures? तो लीक पेपर लिकाचे सांगता after NEET paper leak Maharashtra teachers eligibility test or something papers leak. मिनिस्टरान रिजाइन जालो दुसऱ्याची फॉल्ट्स दाखोवन तू आपण जर करेक्ट म्हणटा then there is no more political failures than what BJP is right now going through. आता सिद्धार्थ बाबान सांगले की रेजिग्नेशन इज नॉट द सोल्युशन कित्याक काढलो रे ताका why did you make him resign because of fear the fear was looming large on this BJP which has time and again failed the nation time and again failed the youth and that is the reason why they
पण एक गजाल आसा क्लिओफात बाबूय जशें म्हणटात अमित बाब की ते म्हणटात आतां कितें जातलें हो प्रश्न आमी विचारतात पण ह्या गजालीचो फायदो ह्या डिस्कंटेंटाचो फायदो जशें इंडिया अगेन्स्ट करप्शनाच्या उपरांत तो फायदो भारतीय जनता पक्षाक जालो तातूंतल्यान आम आदमी पार्टी जन्मा आयली तसो फायदो आज तुमकां जातलो अशें कन्विन्सिंगली कोणूच म्हणना
पळय गजाल फायदो आमकां जातलो ऑर कोणाक जातलो दॅट इज नॉट द क्वेश्चन फायदो पॉलिटिकली जातलो हो कित्याक जातलो फायदो जातलो नेशनाक the nation is going to finally benefit out of this protest. It is nothing to do with a political party or any political movement. See, understand one thing. Again, I repeat karta, unless BJP fears, they don't take action. 30 दिसा पयली एक्शन घेवत आली 34 दिसा पयली एक्शन ही घेवत आली ती ताणी घेतली ना 14 years they are in power. Youth were not the priority for 14 years. Youth, why wasn't youth a priority for 14 years? Why wasn't the same prime minister answering or speaking about needs? The day the protest was happening, Prime Minister Lok Sabha by Uber round speech दिवन गेला I am with the youth म्हणून but not a single word on NEET paper leak. Why? Not a single word with the people who died, the students who died. Why? These are the questions that
बरे
the
हा
nation is asking.
यतीश बाबा म्हणता यतीश
But I
बाब
would like to add one thing
Pramod,
Pramod,
yeah,
to this whole debate.
हय
That one person who has taken advantage of the situation is Uddhav Thackeray. See, Shiv Sena in Maharashtra
या
has
Correct.
seized the moment in a big way.
म्हाका
If you look at
Yeah.
you look at his movements, yesterday's victory rally, it shows that he has taken advantage of the
इज टेक
situation.
एडवांटेज यतीश बाब दोन मुद्दे पयलो जो अमित बाबान काडलो सो ते म्हणटात दुसऱ्याची चूक दाखोवन आपूण कितलो बरो तो सांगनाका म्हणटा ते नंबर वन नंबर टू ते म्हणटात की तुमगेली एक्शन जी आसा इज नॉट आउट ऑफ कन्विक्शन बट आउट ऑफ फियर
No, no. See, what he's trying to talk, he must be wanting to please his masters in Delhi or what, I don't know. But one thing I can tell you, BJP believes in accountability. BJP is with the youth. The youth is with the BJP. Modi ji is with the youth. The youth is with Modi ji, as I pointed out earlier also. Please understand, UPAच्या टायमार एज्युकेशनाचे बजेट 8,225 कोटी आशिल्ले ते आज 1.39 lakh crore जाला 1,039 lakh crore जाला. Now I'm trying to tell you one thing, that the way in which Congress is acting, the way in which Congress is exhibiting itself, even I'll tell you, Sonam Wangchuk's wife on 24th of July has said that Rahul Gandhi's protest outside PM's house was insincere. I mean, this is what is the general feeling of the country and of the people.
बरें.
No, I want to tell you one thing. BJP independently believes in accountability. Government believes in accountability. We are in sync with the people, and therefore people's aspirations are our duty. तुका
बरें,
सांगता
बरें.
हे बिल जे आयला पळय एग्जामिनेशनाचे
हय.
2024 या त्याच कमिटमेंटान एग्जामिनेशन बरो जावच्यो आता जे बिल अमेंडमेंट आसा पळय ते त्याच हातून
बरें.
आणि ते ऑपोजिशनान सपोर्ट करचे
बरें,
आणि
बरें.
नंदन निलेकानीची जी कमिटी आसा ती त्याच दिशेन आसा
बरें
बरे रिफॉर्म्स जावचे
ऑन
म्हणून.
दॅट पॉयंट आय विल कम टू द फायनल राउंड हांव क्लियोफात बाबा कडच्यान स्टार्ट करता क्लियोफात बाब बोथ साइड्स आर पुटिंग दीस स्पिरिटेड फ्रंट सारकी आज तुमचो एडवायस ओपोजिशनाक कितें आसा कारण आज जेन्ना अशें जाता तेन्ना 2011 भितर जेन्ना आमी इंडिया अगेन्स्ट करप्शन पळयताले देर वॉज अ व्हेरी पॅल्पेबल सेन्स दॅट बाबा हाजो कोणाक तरी फायदो जातलो दीस गव्हर्मेंट इज नॉट लुकींग इन अ व्हेरी गुड हेल्थ ही गजाल आज दिसना म्हणटा तुमी जाल्यार दुसरी वटेच्या मनशांनी करप कितें तुमचें एडवायस कितें
See, actually, this issue for the opposition, they have to channelize the momentum that has been gathered by this movement. In fact, as I look at it, as I look at the figures of UP,
Yeah.
according to me, if there is a proper alliance in UP, they can do well.
या
Then they can do well. According to me, also in Punjab, if they put their house in order, they will do well. And both UP elections and Punjab elections, and also Goa elections, are 1 year. Are before the national elections.
Yes.
See, when Congress lost Delhi, it was 2012, and Narendra Modi won in 2014. They had a 2 years period to work on on what has happened in 2012. Similarly, if the BJP Congress has to do well, they have to work on these issues.
या
For the BJP, there is no need of giving advice simply because it is they have a strong organization. they may course correct. It is possible that the organizational structure is such that they will course correct and go ahead.
Yeah.
But for the other side, it is coming together and making it 1-1 against BJP.
1-1 against बीजेपी. म्हाका सिद्धार्थ बाब सांगात फायनल तुमकां काँग्रेसीक किंवा ओपोजिशनाक कितें एडवायस बी दिवपा आसा काय नाकाच म्हणटा तुमी?
I am nobody. See, I am nobody to advise them, but I will certainly say this one thing.
या
That if you are hoping that somebody else will do something and I will be reaping benefits of it, and that's how I'll be coming in power. Now, that is not how politics work. That is not how democracy works. That is not how governance works. तुमका स्वतः इशू काढचे पडटले. You can't be riding the horse which is bought by somebody else. तुमका तुमचो स्वतःचो घोडो हाडचो पडटलो आणि तो चलोवचो पडटलो. That I think एकंदर जर तुम्ही स्ट्रक्चर म्हणा, पॉलिसी म्हणा,
भाड्याचो
कार्यक्रम-
घोडो घेऊन
भाड्याचो
रेसीक
घोडो
देऊ
घेऊन
नका.
तुम्ही रेसीक वचू नका.
अशें.
स्वतःचे घोडो घ्या आणि रेसीक वचा.
बरें, म्हाका अमित बाब फायनल एक गजाल सांगात. ते म्हणटात भाड्याचो घोडो घेवन रेसीक देव नाका, स्वताचो घोडो घेवन रेसीक देवा म्हणून. तुमकां दिसता हे जे एडवायस इवन क्लिओफात बाबान जे केल्या, जी आमी गोंयचे बाबतींत कंटिन्युअस उलयता, त्या दृश्टीन कितें पावल मारप तरी जाता काय आमी बेश्टीच ही तोंडाची वाफ काडटात आनी तुमी कांयच आयकना आमचें?
एक गजाल लक्षात दवर,
वा.
whether it is me or the other political leaders connected with Congress, they were all with the Gen Z, they were all with the youth. We let them lead the protest. It was not us who were leading the protest because for the first time the youth had risen. So खंय ना खंय तरी एक गोष्ट लक्षात दवर की काँग्रेस पक्ष आणि काँग्रेस पार्टी, राहुल गांधी जी आसा किंवा आम्ही सगळे जे आसा, we are with the youth of this country, we are with the current political scene in the country and it is shaping up very nicely. It is
What
shaping
about
up very
coming
nicely.
together?
कमिंग टुगेदरचा प्रश्न जेन्ना आसा हो प्रश्न आम्ही जेन्ना हे काल सुद्धा उलयला किंवा पयर सुद्धा उलयला, ऑफकोर्स वी आर कमिंग टुगेदर. देर इज लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दॅट इज हॅपनिंग. आय थिंक यू विल सी इन द नियर फ्युचर हाऊ थिंग्स आर शेपिंग अप as far as political scene is concerned. Understand one thing, it is at the end of it nation first, and I think the nation has been given priority more importantly than anything else or other issues which are connected which BJP is trying to divert today.
म्हाका यतीश बाब फायनल सांगात. 1-1 जर जाली जाल्यार युअर पार्टी कॅन बी इन ट्रबल.
No, certainly not. People are with us. We are with the people. I mean, when our engagement with the people is all throughout. आम्ही इलेक्शना खातीरूच हें जायना, एक्टीव जायना. आतां तूं जर पळयत ऑपोजिशनाच्यो पार्ट्यो, काँग्रेस जाय आनी कोण जाय, ते इलेक्शन जालें म्हणटकूच धांवपा लागता. दॅट इज द टायम वेन दे थिंक ऑफ पीपल. BJP is not that way. BJP is continuously engaged with the people. All throughout the year, our outreach with the people is continuous. People's engagement with us is continuous. So therefore, BJP works very closely with the people. Our government works pro
तुम्ही
people
म्हणटात फक्त
continuously.
इलेक्शन आयले म्हणटे एकठांय आयले म्हणून तुमकां काय बाधा जावची ना.
म्हणून लोक बीजेपीक मत मारता.
बरें.
कित्याक बीजेपी सदां लोकां बरोबर आसता. लोक काँग्रेसीक मत मारना कित्याक काँग्रेस इलेक्शना टायमार येता आनी मागीर नाच जाता.
बरें, हांव इतल्याचेर थांबता. म्हाका दिसता नेक्स्ट टायम आय होप की वी ऑल आर इन द स्टुडिओ. बट आज एक गजाल म्हाका दिसता इतलीच इम्पॉर्टंट आशिल्ली की 3 म्हत्वाचे शब्द. एक म्हळ्यार अकाउंटेबिलिटी, दुसरी म्हळ्यार रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आणि तिसरी मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट म्हळ्यार भुरग्याचें आनी तरणाट्यांचें भविश्य. ह्या 3 गजालींचेर म्हाका दिसता आज उजवाड पडला आनी पयली फावट एज्युकेशन आनी एज्युकेशनल पॉलिसी खूब वर्सांनी आर इन फोकस. आनी ताज्या की बरी गजाल एक समाज म्हणून, देश म्हणून आमचे खातीर कांयच ना. ज्या टायमार आमकां शिक्षणाचेर, आमच्या शिक्षणीक धोरणाचेर आनी शिक्षणीक वेवस्थांच्या इंटेग्रिटीचेर चर्चा करपाची आनी त्यो जाग्यार घालपाची ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळ्ळ्या, ती ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी आमी घेवन त्यो जाग्यार घालपाक जाय. कारण हो फक्त तुगेलो निटाचो किंवा शिक्षणाचो इशू न्ही, हो समाजाचो इशू, हो देशाचो इशू, तरणाट्यांच्या भवितव्याचो इशू. मागीर ताजेर सगळ्या राजकीय पक्षांनी भान दवरून आतां काम करचें इतलेंच हांव मागतां. आनीक थांबतां. सिद्धार्थ बाब, यतीश बाब, अमित बाब, क्लिओफात बाब, थँक्स अ लॉट फॉर जॉयनिंग पवित्रवाद प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.